Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a charged device, an active data SIM, and the Winds app on your phone. Power on the tracker and watch the LED to confirm boot. In the app, choose Add Device and enter the IMEI exactly as printed. Once paired, assign a name and default reporting interval. Make sure to grant location and background permissions so the app can receive updates. This first activation gets your device live and ready to send location data to your account. Once done pairing, you configure how the tracker reports and alerts. You should choose a reporting interval, shorter for live tracking, longer to extend battery life. Then create geofences on the map and set speed or movement thresholds so you're notified of specific events. Make sure push, SMS, or email alerts are enabled in the app. Also adjust power mode and GPS sensitivity. These settings balance accuracy versus battery. These steps control what you receive and why you'll be alerted. You finish by testing every feature. Request a live location, review historical tracks, and trigger an alert to confirm the workflow. If the device fails to report, check the SIM balance and data, verify the APN settings match the carrier, and confirm signal strength at the device site. Make sure the IMEI was entered correctly in the app. If problems persist, perform a factory reset, and, if required, collect logs and timestamps before contacting Winds support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.